Hey, Instagrammers! In today's video, I've got a quick and handy trick to show you how to find your first message on Instagram without the hassle of scrolling. It's a simple method, so let's dive right in. So, let's say you want to find the very first message you sent to someone. Open up Instagram, tap on the messages icon at the top right, and select the chat of the person you're interested in. Now, instead of tediously scrolling through the conversation, here's the trick. Look at the top right corner of the screen where you see your Wi-Fi signal and battery icon. Simply tap that battery icon, and voila! Your iPhone will smoothly scroll to the very top of the conversation. However, keep in mind that Instagram doesn't load all messages at once. You might need to tap it a few times until all messages are loaded. By doing this, you can quickly reach the first message you ever sent to that person. It's a time-saving hack for sure. And there you have it, a nifty little trick to find your first Instagram message without scrolling endlessly. If you found this tip helpful, drop a like, don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tricks. Thanks for watching.